Bathory, Twilight of the Gods, 1991. Black Mark Production. The end of the second trilogy. The 6 albums released by this Swedish band so far form 2 distinct musical and lyrical trilogies. The first 3, Bathory, The Return, and Under the Sign of the Black Mark, represent the epitome of thrash as black metal, while the next ones, Blood Fire Death, especially Hammerheart, and finally this one, present a Nordic saga epic of Viking metal. By the time we reach Twilight of the Gods, the influences have shifted almost completely from Venom to Manowar, both in terms of musical structure and lyrics. Thomas Quorthon Forsberg, the soul and heart of Bathory, with his distinctive, yet somewhat raw vocals since 1990, once again takes us to the mythical, cold, and unwelcoming historical lands of his homeland through melodies, with significantly better production compared to the earlier albums, thanks to his father, as it turns out, the boss, and magical atmospheres, still maintaining mid-tempo rhythms, though a bit faster and with a heavier musical presence than Hammerheart. Sound effects, like the sound of wind, are used with emphasis as intros to several tracks on the album, transporting the listener to the frozen mountains of Scandinavia. The titles, which are still beloved to this day, include the massive prologue Twilight of the Gods epilogue, Through Blood by Thunder, Blood and Iron, Under the Runes, To Enter Your Mountain, Bond of Blood, and Hammerheart, the recurring theme of including the previous album's title as a song in the next release, a tradition started by Led Zeppelin and later seen in Manowar, makes an appearance here as well. Basically, the whole album. Quorthon's mysterious journey would continue after a while, but the first 6 albums are the ones that have permanently etched themselves in the collective unconscious of the metal community.